Hi everyone, in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to add an animated letterbox effect in DaVinci Resolve. This effect gives your video a cinematic look with a smooth transition. So let's get started. First, click on the edit panel at the bottom of the screen, then open the effects panel on the left side of the screen. Under the toolbox, go to Effects and find the adjustment clip. Drag and drop the adjustment clip into the timeline, then placing it above your video. Then adjust the video clip by moving the timeline slider to where you want the letterbox effect to start. Adjust the adjustment clip's position so it starts at the point and extend to match the duration of your video. Click on the adjustment clip to select it, then go to the inspector panel in the top right corner. Expand the cropping section and click the keyframe button next to the top crop and the bottom crop to mark the starting point. Then move the timeline slider 2 seconds forward from the starting keyframe. Increase the top crop and bottom crop values to 150 or any values you want to create a letterbox effect. Play back the video to see a smooth animated transition as the letterbox bars appear. And that's it. You've successfully added an animated letterbox effect to your video. This effect gives your footage a cinematic feel and makes it look more professional. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.